Amazon influencers often ask, how much does Viral Vue cost? And what do you actually get with each plan? Let's break it down so you know exactly what's included at every level. The free plan is perfect if you're just starting out or still testing the waters. It gives you the Chrome extension overlay, a brand deal tracker, storefront optimizer, top versus bottom carousel tracking, and the viral score to quickly evaluate products. Best of all, it works across the US, UK, and Canadian marketplaces. That's a strong toolkit without spending a dime. Next is the starter plan at $33 per month. This is great for influencers with fewer than 100 videos. Alongside the free features, you'll unlock product view with sales estimates, the order history scanner to find products you already own and can review, competitor research with Storefront Spy, and TikTok tools like Product Finder and Ads Code Manager. This tier sets you up to grow with data instead of guesswork. And finally, the professional plan at $66 a month. This one's built for serious scaling. It includes automations with creator connection tools, detailed ASIN and product viral finder, advanced video tracking with total influencer video counts, campaign insights, and TikTok product tracking. It's everything you need to grow like a pro. So whether you're just starting or ready to scale, there's a Viral View plan for you. Hit the link in my description to sign up today and start powering up your Amazon storefront.